All right, am I live? Hello, hello, hello. Okay, so how do I share my screen? I guess I can't share my screen. All right, I'm just gonna pretend like I can. So I'm practicing my first couple attempts at Neetcode. I've done a couple Leetcode questions before, but I've been mostly stuck on easy. I've tried to attempt medium, but one of the mediums, I just got a runtime or time limit exceeded. So I solved the problem, but I just didn't do it in the right time limit. So like I basically am stuck on easy right now. So I'm just gonna do Java, and I guess I'm just gonna just start arrays and hashing stack. There's a lot of stuff here. I guess I'm just gonna do the first one. oh, it's just I've done this before. Well, I'm gonna pretend like I haven't done it before. Given an integer array nums, return true if any value appears at least twice in the array, and return false if every element is distinct. So find any duplicate. So this one, example one, it's true because there's two of these here. This one is false because there's 1, 2, 3, 4. This is true because there's more than one. So the best way to do this is to just use, basically, you want to get all unique values and then compare the length of those, compare the number of those unique values with the number of total values. If those two numbers are different, then you know that there were duplicates. Okay, so how do I start this? Well, I want to start off making a set. Integer. I'm just gonna call it a set. New hash set. And basically, I'm gonna loop through nums for integer I nums. Put add, right? Set, you just add set dot add I. And once after you do that, after you get the unique values here and the unique values there, if set size is not equal nums dot length because it's do I use it with the parentheses? It'll be easy to figure out if I need it or not. Then return true, else false. Oh, oops. Always get this messed up. Yeah. Jeez. Interesting. Oh, wait a second. And I think this should work. Nice. And the only reason why I knew how to do this problem was because, as you can see, I've done it before. This is I actually did it a faster way before. What was this one? Yeah, there's different ways of doing it. Could be faster. Oh, I really need to learn how to do tube. I think I have it on my watch later. Runtime and space. Cheat sheet. Yeah, I don't know what this is. Big O, stuff like that. Okay. Anyways, I did it. Oh, I check it off myself. Okay. Valid anagram. I wish I knew a way to do this faster because my memory sucks ass. My time sucks ass. How do I use so much memory? I thought there's like no memory. Well, maybe because I'm comparing the length of the set to the length of the size. So maybe I could do something like, well, whatever. I did it. I think that's what I care about. No, but I need to know how to make this faster, which I don't. Maybe if I. Well, then I'm just going to try to do what I did here. If unique value dot contains I, return true, and then you just add it, return false. How do I make this faster? How would you make this faster? Whatever, doesn't matter. Valid anagram. So I haven't done this before. Given two strings, S and T, return true if T is an anagram of S and false otherwise. So S, T. An anagram is a word or phrase formed by rearranging the letters of a different word or phrase, typically using all the original letters exactly once. So, okay. I think I could use a hash set for this. So this is true because there's 1, 2, 3 A's, 1, 2, 3 A's, 1 N, there's 1 N here, G, G, R, R, M, M. And this is because there's A, there's R, but the T's are different. So what I can do is find all unique values for S, find all unique values for T. If check each unique values if the other string contains it. If there is one if it doesn't false. Oh wait, no. Yeah, I'm gonna do it like this. So I'm guessing it's two hash sets. Get the strings inside the hash sets. You don't need to use a hash set. You can just do a loop. You can just like do brute force, where you just like do 2 loops, and you just see if like this element contains this element. If this element in S is inside string T, and vice versa, or you only need to do it once. So, but I want to use a hash set because it's cooler. It doesn't really matter. Set character. Shit. Set character set equals set equals new hash set. set S. I guess I could I only need one hash set, really. Yeah, okay. Okay, well, for character C in S, sets dot add C. And then after that, for character C and T, if sets does not contain, I think it's with an S. If sets does not contain C, then false, return false. Else return true. I think I should do it. What's going on? Why can I not loop through this? Can I not for each loop through a string Java? I actually never knew this. For each character, I don't. Yeah, it's a string s. Oh, do I have to 2-character array? I'm so confused. String s. I have to do it like this? Oh, I actually didn't know that. All right, fine. For character. Int I equals 0. That's embarrassing. I thought I knew this. I less than s dot length. Since it's a string, I need to use add I plus plus. Character C equals s dot character at I. Sets dot add C. It's the exact same thing. E dot length. If sets character key. I'm just gonna do this. C. I was gonna do this. Key dot character at I if sets contains this character. Return null because it should always return either false or return true. So this is just a placeholder. Oh, oops. Yeah. I don't know why exactly this happens. Incomplete, incompatible types. Okay. See, it's always a syntax for me. Missing return statement. Am I like missing something here? Why would I need a return statement? For if, why would I need a return statement? If, yeah, return false, return true. Why would it not let me do these? Okay. Fine. I'm not sure why it doesn't let me do that. True. Boolean results equals true. Results is equal false. And then return the results. Oh, nice. Very nice. Ah. Oh, yeah. This is more than a hash set problem. Because now I have to do it the other way around. Because or for these problems where, so the reason why I'll put it true is because the first string contains A and B, and look at all the look at all the characters in string T. If this set contains that, then put, okay. If contains or set size does not equal, right? I think this could also work. Set size, it does not equal t dot length. Oh, oops. Put sets. 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 Set. Set. Nice. Oh. Why would I do the set size? The set size will always be less than the length. Come on. Okay, so this. Oh, wait. True if T is an anagram and S is false. An anagram is a word or phrase formed by rearranging the letters of a different word or phrase, typically using all the original letters exactly once. Oh, I completely misunderstood the question. So you have 1, 2, 3 A's and one N, one N. Well, I guess what I could do. So, oh, no. Okay, so the problem is that if I compare this string to this string, it's fine. But if I compare this string to this string, it's not fine. You're not supposed to use a hash set. Good. You gotta use a hash map. Down the way you go. Yeah, why would this work? Find all unique values for s. Find unique, check each unique if other string contains it. No. They have to have the same number. How did I solve the other problem? I used 2 hash maps. No. How did I increase the value of that hash map? So what I could do is I could just do, so I could just do a loop, do this, and it'll just be like, if this character is not contained in this hash map, then I'll include this as a key, and I'll have the value be like the count. So it would be a 1. This will be 1. So contains it. So 2, 1, and it'll have all the key unique characters and the frequency attached to that. And then it'll also check this in another hash map. And I'll do the same thing for these two, for this. So it'll be 2 hash maps. And so we're gonna, so we're gonna go through each one here. So for A, we know this hash map contains a value of 3, but if the value for this hash map for this key is different than the values are different, then you know that it's not an anagram. And that'll work. So for A and B, so for test case like A and B, test case like A, it'll be 1A, 1B, 1A. So this will be good, and B if it contains here. But what if it's like A and B? You only have A to be compared to there, but and that'll be it. So you need to compare them together. There's a much better way of doing this than what I'm proposing. I solved this exact problem before. Like pretty similar problem. How did I do that? How did I do that problem? Instead of trying to remember, I'm just gonna try to. Oh, I don't need to explore those test cases because all I need to do is do a hash map for both of them, and I just need to be like, if A frequency is not equal for B does not equal for A, that'll be it. I could just go like, if hash map is the same size. Oh wait, but it could be like, Yeah, what if it's like this? Oh, then it'll work then, because then there's a difference. If they're the same size. Okay. So 2 hash maps. Character and integer. Map s map u hash map. Map t map. So for integer I equals 0, I is less than the s length plus just map s map dot put so I'm just gonna quickly go because I did this. Don't remember how to increase or increment the value of an integer value. So I remember, what is it? Get or default. Get or default. So how did I do that? Oh, improve, submit. Yeah. Map.put character, map or default, C0 plus 1. Right. Yeah, wait. Character S C. So S character equals S dot character at I, and then S map dot put C dot S map get or default C0, and then this one. We do this within one loop. Character T equals T character. Oh, they're not always the same length. Nice. TC equals length of the T string character at I, and then T map dot put TC, T map get our default TC 0 plus 1. So now, after both of those loops, we are going to do an if statement. Oh, I noticed I didn't do any comments. So from here, what I'm going to do is compare the hash maps. If one, they have the same length, and then they have the same length, and I don't have to deal with that problem where it's like one hash map will consider the other one okay, even though it isn't, just because it ran out of like values or keys. So they have the same length, and if each key has the same value, each key has, if every key, if they both contain the same key and the same value. Okay. So if s map dot size, I think that's what it is, size equal p map dot size, and continue, else turn false. That's an automatic false, right? If it's not the same size. Well, I guess you could just do that here. That'll probably improve the runtime, actually. If I just do this first, if s dot size length not equal p dot length, turn false, because that's an automatic false. So here we know the lengths. Oh, yeah, we know the lengths are the same. I just do this here and here, and I don't need this. Aha. Yeah. This will work. Okay. If, so I don't need to bother with this. I don't need to bother with that. So if they both have the same length, if they both contain the same key and the same value. So how do I do this? So do I loop through the hash map? I don't have to loop. I don't ever have to loop through the hash map, because I could just loop through what the hash map looped through. So look at the string. So look at the string, and like if I'm just gonna do it the really inefficient way first, and then I'm gonna optimize it later. But if s map get maybe I just need for loop. Yeah, I gotta loop through this. I'm pretty sure I could put that in there, but no, whatever. If integer I equals 0, I less than its length, the same length. So all I care about is set up the only way that they're both, the only way it's true, and in any way it's not true, I'll just return false. I don't need to explore all the edge cases. So if s map dot get the value of this key, I'm just gonna do character C. If we get C, right, and if equals p map dot get c. I like putting the stuff else returns. So so if this program goes all the way through, then you return true. But if at any point there is a false, you just return false. Oh. Oops. Oh yeah, why wouldn't I do that? Okay, so one is like this, turn false. Okay. Is there any way where I'm missing something? Okay. I think this is good. No. How far along was I? What? The last one was wrong? That's pretty annoying. What the? What? What is this? All right, so I'm not going to be able to debug this by looking at what went wrong. Oh my God. If it went through 36 out of the 37 test cases, then that's not fair. That's so not fair. What the? This is such an easy problem. Why am I having such a hard time with it? Oh my God. Is this something to do with it? I outputted false. So is there a way for the strings to have different lengths but still be an anagram? Is a word or phrase formed by rearranging the letters of a using all original letters exactly once? Like there's two, so no, I have to use three. Right, so they have to be the same length. They have to be. Oh my God, they're not the same length. Oh wait, no, just kidding. Maybe my counts is off. My counting mechanism. Right. So if this has never seen it before, get or default 0. If you see it again, then you use +1, +1, +1, +1. Oh my God. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. 2. So like it should work. Can't even imagine. I can't imagine what's wrong. It's not fair. So it seems like I'm counting it correctly. It seems as soon as the lengths are different, it's catching that. Oh, shit. And also, this is completely unnecessary. I don't need this. Dude, this is not fair. Is there? What other ways could I do this without a hash map? Well, I could just brute force it. I could just brute force it. I could just well, this was the brute force method. Count it all up. Dude. What is a Unicode character? Okay, what are the constraints? Length. S and T consists of lowercase English letters. So, get. It's like get the value of this, right? If it doesn't get the value of that, and this doesn't, it has a different value. So A. So why would this not work? 1 is 1. If get R is 1, this R is 2. If S map has this, right? Get the value of that. But T map does not have that. I mean, I suck at problems. I suck at problems. What if it's like should I do if length should I do an if statement here where it's like if length greater than than this then return then return true. That would be funny. That'd be really funny. Um, is there some kind of limit with how many numbers? What is the largest value? Well, it's an integer, right? What is the largest value an integer can hold? Java. All right. So it could hold 2 billion. I don't think I saw more than 2 billion values. So interesting. Why is the count different? Okay, what if? Oh shit. Um, no, let me select everything. Okay, I don't. Dude, this is so not fair. How is it the last test case doesn't work? That's so messed up. Okay, so it's not that. So yeah, it's clear. It's obviously this one. Like this is the problem here because the counts are different. Return s map dot get c. What am I going to do? I'm going to go through every letter of the alphabet and see where the counts are wrong. Oh, wait. Hello. Wait, what? Bruh. Bruh. Um, let's see. Wait, what? If get the value of b. Okay, so is this not doing what I think it's doing? Because this I hate this shit. But I have 4 of the D's here and 3 D's there. Get value of D equals T get value of D. If these values are equal, return false. So it should have returned true because their values are not the same. So maybe this is the error. But then how the hell did it work for everything else? How does it literally work for anything else then? Wait, what the fuck? Oh. Well, what? Why would... Dude. 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 Dude, 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 dude. Right. So this works. But then why doesn't this work? If okay, so it works. Dude, why? I'm so annoyed right now. Why does this... How could this not work? Bruh. So this should return true. Okay, so I don't understand. I don't understand. They have the same number, right? What? Why all of a sudden? Am I on crack here? Am I like on drugs? Right, because they're not the same number. Wait, did it literally not just work a second ago? Wait, what? Wait, am I like on am I like imagining things? Wait. So this should be false. This should be true. Right? It was just true. So if I do what? No, this expected. This doesn't matter, dude. What? Return true. What? If this hash map's key of B value is different from that, return false. Okay, so I want you to return, since you're returning false, I want you to return. So what are you getting? Oh my god, don't give me that. Really? I could only return booleans. Let me see. Yo, what's good? Hey, what you doing?
Just finished working out. Now I'm about to eat and get some work later. What you got going on?
I'm doing some like interview prep and doing some projects.
Nice. Damn, so you got laid off, huh?
Yeah, dude.
How'd they tell you?
As soon as I I got an email at 8:30, and then as soon as I heard, and this is Shelby from HR, I knew I was done.
In the email, or they called you?
No, on the Zoom meeting.
Damn, they did it in front of people?
No, everyone there was getting fired. Everyone that was invited in that email.
Oh, man.
Are you coming over? Are you free?
Not today.
Not today.
Not today. Maybe Friday?
Okay.
Yeah, we'll do so Friday. Yeah.
My parents want me to go to grad school.
Really?
Yeah, but I think I could get it for something tech. I wanted to go to grad school for
Comp sci?
yeah, either computer science or data engineering. But
Okay.
I've talked to a couple people who are already like software developers, and then he's just like, yeah, try not to do that because you could just like teach yourself, or no, you could just like do a couple projects and do some interview prep, and you might be able to get a job.
Yeah, and they can pay for it or something, right?
Yeah, and maybe they could pay for my master's.
Hey, dude, I think if I don't get drafted after this next year, I think I'm going to drop out and just start working and start a business.
You gonna do a business? What are you gonna do?
I think I'm gonna create a productivity and goal setting course.
Yeah.
Do online coaching.
Oh, all right. I bet you could get real good at that.
I think it would be too. We'll see how. So I'm just not sure how useful MBA will be straight out of college with very little work experience. You know what I'm saying?
Aren't like MBAs super valuable? If you get some kind of internship.
Yeah, but like not straight out of college.
I know, but don't people get internships during their MBA and work experience?
We'll see.
All right.
All right, Jimmy.
All right, bro.
I'll talk to you. See you Friday. Okay.
Yeah. See you later.
Later.
Okay. That's so dumb. So the counter works because it wouldn't be able to do anything if it didn't work. Like it wouldn't have passed 36 tests. So the counter works. But now I'm getting hung up on this. Returns true because they are the same. But somehow if that's different. Okay. This should be true. Because so what are you counting then? Oh. I'm gonna pretend like that didn't happen. Oh my god. Yeah, because I fucking wrote this here. Oh my god. Okay. So this should return true. Good. This should return false. This should return false. This should return. If I do like F, F, F. All right. Okay. So I don't understand what is being counted incorrectly. Oh my God. What could possibly be getting counted? No, maybe the count is right. Oh, what if you have like and then like A, B, C. So this should be getting true. And this false. But in this hash map, well, if there's an extra letter anywhere, if for whatever reason, so let's say in this case, like hash map has letters, or this hash map does not contain letters that this one has. Well, that means that this hash map replace that, like would have an extra letter of something else. So it missing a letter from something else. So it'd be B. So it would go like to B, then we know that it's a different, they have different, so that it'd be false. So like it doesn't matter. So like let's say this one has like a bunch of X's. This one have a bunch of Z's. Then for X's. And we're looking at if character C at the first string. We're only looking at the first string. This would be false. Right, it'd be false because at this character, there's like 4 of them, and we try to get the key over here that doesn't even have them. I'm so unbelievably stumped at this easy question, dude. Like, what the? So, like, what? How? Oh my God! Why? Why does it not work? Please tell me why it does not work. Dude, it's so messed up. That's unbelievably so dumb. So if my counting works, if literally everything works, at my face. I mean, maybe my original thought was right. Maybe there is a way to have no. We tried it. The length is the same, obviously. so sad. 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 Dude, that's so fucking dumb. All right, well, obviously there's something about hash maps or get or default that I don't understand. Because I mean, if the counting and everything works until the lengths get really, really large, then maybe there's something about the nature of get or default that I don't know. Because this, I can't imagine this being wrong. What is giving me this false? Dude, I can't even. $36 out of 37 test cases. That's completely absurd. Can I see the other test cases? Oh my god. Dude. Where the hell is that? Like that's actually so messed up. And I can't see like specifically which one is not counted correctly because it only wants me to return Boolean true or false. I have no idea. I have absolutely no idea. Because this is true. Like, this is a true question. The expected answer is true. So that means that they should all have the same. The keys and the values should have the same values. And like our solution can do that. It knows how to, so it's just counting it wrong, or I'm comparing it wrong. Maybe I'm comparing it wrong. get the value of a specific key. Hey, what? Why would it return true? Okay, so that means that this is working. So if so at some point there is an error in the counting. If smap.get. Bro, did a fucking space neutron fucking throw off a binary number in my calculation? What? I'm just gonna do another solution. This is ridiculous. All right. I literally don't know. I don't know why this doesn't work. I don't know. So this is right. The comparing part is correct then. If since the expected output is true, if so it should be returning false because they're all true. So somewhere along the lines, I don't know how, but somewhere along the lines, the counting is not correct. That they have the exact same length. If s.length is not the same as t.length, then return false. So they're the same length. So I s t character I at that. Oh, dude, I don't get or it's probably the default genre. Which is the default value key, which is the key. The element that has. Right, because it's right. So get the default value if it's if you have not seen this character before, put 0 and then +1 and see 1. Get our default. Second time you see it, no. So you've seen it before. You leave it alone. So this is already 1. So you do +1, so 2. You know what? I bet it's fucking off by 1. I bet one thing is freaking wrong. I don't understand that. What could be so incorrect? Dude. Oh God. I don't understand. 0, index 0. After you're done with that +1, keep going until you hit. Let's say the length is 11. Because length 11, 10. So let's say I is 10. It's less than that. Then you go again. That's the 11th, and then you count 1, and then it stops. I don't know. I literally have no idea. click the line number to add breakpoints. I don't know how this works. Dude, this is so fucked. How could this be not correct? Yes, time limit of 10 seconds. Oh, God. Dude, that's so fucking stupid. All right, so if we're not using this way of doing it, how else would I be doing this? Dude, I bet it has something to do with, because it worked perfectly fine for all the test cases, so it has to be something with, like, how many times it could count up or something. I don't know. Oh. I'm not gonna look at the answer for this. I'm just gonna figure out a different way of doing this. All right, so if I don't want to use a hash map, so fucking dumb. And I've done this before to some. I'm gonna make myself feel better. I'm gonna make myself feel better and do this. Given an array of integer nums and an integer target. I don't remember the solution. I literally have the worst memory in the world. Given an array of integers, nums, and integer target, return indices of the two numbers such that they add up to target. You may assume that each input would have exactly one solution, and you may not use the same element twice. You can return the answer in any order. Is this plus this equals that. He goes this plus this equals that. Because this plus this equals that. So what you could do is, so all you really need to know is like if 6. So as you go, store each value in a hash map. In your current index, subtract target by the index, by the element, by the value of index, and check that new subtracted number with your hash map. If it contains it, then return your current, right? Because you can return the answer, then you return your current index and index of that value. So yeah, what I'm going to be doing is map integer. This is the value, and then integer. This is probably going to be the index. Map equals hash map. So you just need to loop through this once because you're just going linearly. For can I do There's a for each. Yeah, you can probably do a for each. For integer I in nums. Nums. So you don't need to worry about negative because it's a sum, so it's always going to be smaller. Target. Oh shit. Integer. Integer. Check. Now, what should I name this? Integer check equals target minus so if map dot contains key I. Oh wait, check. So you're gonna do this. Check this. Yeah. Here, 3. Add this. Yeah, put nums I in the index. Oh shit. Fuck. Yeah, whatever. I equals 0. I is less than the nums dot length. Plus if nums I put the value of that and I. That's the index. If map dot contains key so I guess we could just put a list and then list to array. Yeah. So we know there's always going to be only 2 values. So if map dot contains key map dot get get the value of check, that's a key, and the current index, so I. And then you could break. I think this is the correct syntax. Yeah, that should be right. Excuse me. Oh. Come on. None of these compile errors. There's no, you don't need a class for that. This is the current results. Sure. Okay. I don't know why that took so much longer than it should have. Let me assume that each input would have exactly one solution. So we don't need to worry about it not having a solution. So I think this is fine. Yeah. Whatever. This is incredibly frustrating because store each value in a hash map in your current index, subtract target by the value of index, and check the subtracted number with your hash map. If it contains it, then return your current index. So you just work backwards. This, I don't understand why this doesn't work. I don't get it. I don't get it. Like, I need this to loop all the way through first, right? It's not like the sum problem where I need to get all the values. Unless we do like Right, because subtracting, because it's 2 minus. It's there. You know there's a solution, so that's why it worked. So this one does not have a solution. Oh my god. What went wrong with the counts? I'm just gonna. I have no idea. No freaking idea. Shit. Ah, Felicia. This is ridiculous. Is T the current? Na 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 na. Can't stop, won't stop moving. Where the hell is the error? Na na na. Boyfriend got a new boyfriend. Dinner wasn't having you hand shake. If, dude, I can't. I don't know. I don't know what went wrong. I don't even understand. Because it's an integer, so like maybe there's something different with the characters. Like maybe there's like one character that's like different, and it accidentally didn't count. Because I think this is solid. Maybe there's something with this that's the problem. Well, what you could do is maybe you could do a hash map. Instead of using 2 hash maps, maybe you could just use 1. So the idea is that in order for it to be an anagram, there has to be at least the frequency of each letter has to be even, or else it's not. So what I could do is, since this obviously for whatever God for knows what reason doesn't work, we'll stick to this. The lengths have to be the same in order for this to work, because the lengths are different. I would have to use different size hash maps. So for I, that's length of 1. I'm going to So get rid of this. Use one hash map. So I'm going to get, so for something like this, I'm going to get the character here, and I'm going to get the character here, and I'm going to add this first into the hash map. So A will be 1, and I'll also add this. So when you see this again, since it's already there, you're going to count it by 1. And that should work. Right. So as you go along, you'll have one hash map. So at the end, you're going to loop. How do I loop through the hash map? So basically, I am going to loop to the hash map. I don't need this. No. I've actually never looped to the hash map before. Let's see. Hash table, hash map usage, loop into a hash map for entry. Maybe I don't even need to loop to the hash map. I'll just loop through the anagram. I'll just loop through this. Maybe it's the same problem where it's like, no, the anagram contains letters that is not in the other one, then it'll be odd. If the anagram does not contain letters. Right, because there are scenarios where the first string is missing letters, and that doesn't cause the count to be odd. So you can have something like A, B, E, A, E, B, A, B, C, D, E. Well, then it wouldn't be the same. So you have to have, like, let's say an X. Well, then it'll have value of 1. Okay, I think this could work. Right, because the hash map will also contain C. So if it's an odd, okay. I think this works. Oh wait, no, but I'm looking through this. If map get value of if map dot get character let's see as character at I s dot character at I see if map dot get C divided by 2 does not equal 0, you know it's not an anagram. So this contains, let's see, if this contains a letter that's not in here, it's fine. It'll still be 1, right? Let's say it's like XX. Oh my God. Well, then this would be, right? Something would have to replace it. So Z, ZZ. There has some combination of like a. No, maybe this is solid. Maybe this is like, maybe like this. Now let's do like this. Right. Something like this could work. This could trick it if map. Let's see. Right. See, this could trick it. Yes. Right. This could trick it. If map get C. Oh. Wait. Right, because that's a C, that would trick it because let's just try it's gonna trick. Oh, oops. This tricks it because x-axis here and spread it both even. What if I used a remove method where if I see it again here, did I remove that? Remove, and then if the length is, but it's the same thing, right? Well, maybe I could just do remove. Oh God, why? Why does it not work? Oh my God. I could do remove, like if I see this and I see that, I remove it. Leave that there. That, then I remove it. Should be there. Yeah, I think I have to use. Dude, I don't know, bro. My brain's fried. Fuck, dude. I can't believe this is like fucked up. I can't. It's just so messed up. This is criminal. This is criminal. Bro. Wait. Why does it count different? I don't understand. So there is a limit. Let's see. Like that had to be the only reason. The only reason is because the count stopped because there's a limit to how long it could go. Like, that's literally the only reason why. Or maybe I just do I have the wrong mouse? No, it should be there. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I'm desperate, man. Desperate situations require. It's not the same. Okay, so where does it stop counting? Where do you stop counting? So was it close? It's bullshit. Am I just counting this wrong? Oh, what the fuck? Okay, yeah, I'm just counting. What the fuck? Wait, what? Bro, what? Okay, wait, we know for a fact this worked, right? We did this before? Oh, so it's like in between here. Wait, what? Okay, thank you. It's one of these. Okay. Oh my god! What is this? How many times does this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99, 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110. 111, 112, 113, 114, 115, 116, 117, 118, 119, 120, 121, 122, 123, 124, 125, 126, 127. Integer limit 127. Java. Huh. So what could be a solution if there's a problem with the bytes? All right, should I just hard code it? Because no, how does everyone else do it? Everyone else is getting it right except for me because I'm a fucking idiot. I don't understand why the lowest value a byte can take is 128 and why the highest value is 127 because but how does one represent 121? You did that on purpose. You did this on purpose. That's crazy, bro. What the fuck? All right, so I'm just gonna go on YouTube and find a different way of how to increment a value in a hash of an integer value in Java. No, no, that's not. That's not. That's not what I wanted. That's not what I wanted. That's not what I wanted. What? What is this? What? What? What is this? Okay. Dude, don't be annoying. Oh. Oh. Wait, so how do I do that? In list. Oh. Oh. And I don't particularly care. So put the SC PC. Wait, how do you add that? dot get for new. What are you doing? What are you doing? Just show me how this is done. So when nothing is there, you add a new. Okay. Get. It's bizarre. Bizarre. This can't be the best way of doing this. Not a chance. If SMAP does not contain key SC, then SMAP dot put SC new list printed. Okay, so if this works, then if dot get so how do I get the size if the map if get c dot oh maybe this work because what this returns is so getting the value of the key gives me that list, so I'm asking for the size. Oh my god. It's not gonna work. Integer. No. This works. I'll be so surprised. The list is abstract, cannot be instantiated. Yeah, that's what I fucking thought. It's not the. I just don't understand why this binary would be included with the. I don't get it. I don't get it. This is dumb. I mean, it's cool, but it's like. Wait, what did I just watch? Oh shit. Damn it. All right, so now I'm just gonna check if this works or not. Okay. What? Oh, interesting. So returns true. And then what? Why doesn't this work again? Oh, because that's very interesting. So right, this would return false because this does not contain something in here. So 2, 1, 1. If get key size is 1, and then and t map, right, it would be null. All I care about if they have the same size. So t doesn't exist there. So the size of that list. Well, I'm so confused. What? The fuck? Why doesn't that work? What? I don't understand this. I don't understand this null. Cannot invoke size because the return value of get object is null. Okay, fine. And I'll do if smap dot get c null or tmap dot get c equals null. Return false. Else. Else. Don't worry. Yeah. Oh my god. This is so silly. Like why am I so bad at this? Like genuinely so bad. Let's not even do that. Just what's that problem? No. Okay. This is ridiculous. I don't know who came up with this crap. All right. All right. This is definitely not one of the worst things I've ever done in my life. I can't believe it. I can't believe I did all that. That's so dumb. I mean, 10, 40, 80. That's fine. That's 27. 27. God knows why. I'm not sure why that is. I can't really explain this. I can't really explain exactly why. It must not be stored as an integer. It must be stored. Okay. So the reason why that dumb binary problem, the range of bytes. So the reason why that was a problem because integers can go up. Largest value integers can carry 2.1 billion. So obviously this isn't the problem. It's get or default. So the way I'm doing this is that so get or default, the first value is 0. If I see it again, then if I see this value for the first time, get or default 0, and then add 1 to it. So if I see it a second time, it's just going to be 1 plus 1. But then this part right here that holds that, and then if I see it again, 2 plus 1, so 3 counts up to 3. But the problem is that this part right here, get or default, it must be storing those numbers in binary. Well, it's all in binary. I don't know. For some reason, somehow, it must be doing something where it stores it in a different way. So then once it reaches 127, which is the range of bytes, it just doesn't work anymore because it reached its limit. That's very interesting. Oh my God, that is. So if I'm counting it correctly, that's just so. That's just. All right. So, all right. So I got to know about. I don't understand why the lowest value byte can take is negative 128. So the highest value is 1. Do not represent signed integers using signed magnitude.
Of 32-bit numbers, and you've probably heard of 64-bit numbers. But what about 128-bit numbers? Do we use those today? Do they actually have a use in our modern computing? Hello there, my name is Gary Sims, and this is.
Hi there, this is
Oh, good God. Bytes.
Now, next on is.
All right, so this get or default, this must be some sort of byte data type. the maximum byte data byte a byte data type can go to is 127. That's why it only worked up to 127. So that's why when you tried doing 128, it didn't work anymore. So I didn't know this was bytes. That's just mean. It's probably a byte limit problem. It's probably a byte limit problem. So please bear with me really quick. Should be 127. And this should be 128. Yeah. Okay, so this getter default stores numbers in bytes. So that's why when I tried adding one more, it didn't work because let's try to go over. So, all right, I guess I'm gonna have to do this the not so fun way. Dude, that was so dumb. I can't even imagine how stupid my solution is compared to everyone else. Like it's actually really embarrassing. Why am I so stupid? Why am I so stupid? All right, I'm done.